A mistake I see a lot of mobile home investors make is chasing deals, trying to source out deals, going to the traditional real estate platforms to try to find mobile home deals. That's not the way it works. Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So look, I am a true believer of have deals come to me, not chase the deals the other way around. And the way to do so, it all boils down back to the same old branding, marketing, advertising. When somebody wants to sell, buy, or even do any business with you, mobile home investing related, they have to know you. And the only way for them to know you is for you to brand, market, and advertise. Look at some of these massive companies, Nike, Coca-Cola, Reebok, you name it. You know of them because you've seen them, you heard about them, you continually on constant basis see they're there and available. Well, the same way it works with you. If you're always on social media, posting, being irrelevant, then people are going to want to do business with you. People want to do business with people they know. People who are credible, which is another one. If you post, brand it, market, advertise consistently, you're going to continually be displayed as credibility because you're always there. There's a lot of scam, a lot of spam I'm not going to get into, but bottom line is how you attract deals to you instead of you chasing deals is let people know who you are, what you do, and number 3, how you can help them. Be a problem solver, entrepreneurship, mobile home investing made easy. Thank you for watching.